A lot of people ask, how do crypto taxes work if you do all your trading and transactions on non-U.S. exchanges, foreign exchanges, whether they're DeFi or not? Well, a couple principles. First of all, as U.S. taxpayers, U.S. citizens, you are subject to taxation on all your income worldwide, regardless of where you live in the world. America is the only country that does this. So if you're making money on a foreign exchange, regardless of where you're living in the world, this would be considered taxable income that you'd have to report. So that's point number one. Point number two is the foreign exchanges are not filing 1099 the same way as you do in the US. If you're doing trades or sales of capital assets, then that's considered capital income. Basically, anytime you sell or exchange of a crypto asset, that's a taxable gain event and it adds to your net gain for the end of the year. If you have staking rewards, airdrops, those are generally treated as ordinary income. They're reported on Schedule 1, Line 8, and it's taxed at your ordinary income bracket. So that's generally how taxation is going to work on cryptocurrencies. So if the income is coming overseas, then you're supposed to report it. Now, the question could be raised, to what extent does the IRS know about that? Well, they don't know about it in the way that they would if they had received a 1099 DA. But if they do initiate an audit, then they would request that information and it would become apparent. They also will, if you fail to disclose during an audit your foreign exchange activity, then it will become apparent because of the holes in the data that will be occurring. So ultimately, you should report all your income to the IRS. That's the safest course to go. And our principle is always make money, pay taxes, make more money. And that's how all the wealthy people do it. You're not going to become rich avoiding taxes. It's better to just become rich and then pay taxes and get richer. Hope this is helpful. If you could please subscribe, like, and follow, I would appreciate it very much.